Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you why I love this leather steering wheel cover. This looks so fabulous and is so comfortable. I absolutely love the sporty look it gives my steering wheel. My steering wheel was damaged. It just deteriorated over the years. So when this package came through, it was super easy to use. It did take a little bit of time to do the hand stitching and get the pattern correct, but all the instructions show you exactly what to do. And I love the finish on it. I love the crisscross. You can do it different ways, but I chose to follow the instructions and the end result was absolutely fabulous. I love it. It is really smooth, soft leather, and even the detail in it just makes me feel like I'm driving something a little bit more sporty, even though it is just a Honda Fit. Several different options when it comes to the thread color, but I got the red as it also matches the exterior of my car, and I just love the sporty vibe it gives. The leather is super comfortable and slightly cushioned, enough to make the hand grip comfortable. But that's just my point of view.